Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello, dear ladies and gentlemen. In today's lecture, we will discuss about neoplasia. What is neoplasia? Definition of neoplasia are neoplasia, shortly known as new, literally mean new, and plasia mean formation. While scientifically defined as an abnormal growth of tissue exceeding and coordinating with the evoking stimuli loss of responsiveness to normal stimuli of growth, neoplastic cells tend to be monoclonal or similar in their genetic makeup, indicating the same origin from one transformed cell. Non-neoplastic proliferation, such as reaction to inflammation, have cells that are polyclonal in origin. Biological behavior of neoplasia are neoplastic tissue behave as parasite depending on the host nutrient, i.e. the tumor is flourishing in a wasting patient and autonomy of growth, i.e. they increase in size regardless of the local environment. Additionally, some neoplasm behave as being, while others behave as malignant. Special characteristic of malignant neoplasm: malignant growth is not inhibited by contact with surrounding cells, that they are discohesive and transplantable, favoring invasion and metastasis. Tumor cell can bind to laminin and fibronectin in connective tissue, then secrete collagenesis or protease, and then invade the surrounding tissue. Neoplastic cell may attain immortality or the ability to keep dividing indefinitely. Nomenclature of neoplasia: there are general rules for nomenclature with few exceptions, and the rules depend on the following factors. From where does tumor arise, parenchymal or mesenchymal origin? What is the clinical behavior of the tumor, i.e. being or malignant or borderline? For better understanding, we have to know the following terminology. Parenchymal cell, the functioning cell like gland, epithelial and hepatic cell. Mesenchymal cell, the supporting stroma, fibrous, muscle and bone tissue, connective tissue. Nomenclature of being tumor: being tumor are named by adding the suffix "oma" to the end of the name of the tissue of the cell from which they arise. For example, being tumor of fibrous tissue are called fibroma, while of cartilage named chondroma. Moreover, from glands are named adenoma, and from bone are named osteoma. Papilloma, a name given for tumor arising from surface epithelium like skin or gastrointestinal surface. Now we are coming to discuss with you basis of nomenclature of malignant tumor. All malignant tumor are called cancer. Cancer is a sea animal crab which has multiple finger-like structure. For fixation and nutrition, malignant tumor arise from epithelial tissue are named by adding suffix carcinoma to the name of the tissue or cell of origin. So it will be adenocarcinoma for glandular epithelium, squamous cell carcinoma for tumor arise from squamous epithelium, etc., while those arising from mesenchymal connective tissue are named by adding the suffix sarcoma at the end of the name of cell or tissue of origin. So it will be fibrosarcoma for tumor arises from fibrous tissue, etc. The following table gives you more example. Basis of nomenclature are, for example, types of tissue: mesenchymal tissue, their origin are fibrous tissue, fatty tissue, cartilage, bone, skeletal muscle, smooth muscle, blood vessel, lymphatic vessel, and their being tumor are fibroma, lymphoma, chondroma, osteoma, rhabdomyoma, leukemia, hemangioma, lymphangioma, and their malignant tumor are fibrosarcoma, liposarcoma, chondrosarcoma, osteosarcoma, rhabdomyosarcoma, leumosarcoma, angiosarcoma, lymphangiosarcoma. Parenchymal tissue, their origin are skin surface, skin and glands, and their being tumor are squamous cell papilloma, basal cell papilloma, adenoma, and their malignant tumor are squamous cell carcinoma, basal cell carcinoma, adenocarcinoma. Now I am coming to discuss with you exception in nomenclature of malignant tumor. Some tumor are malignant in spite of that ended with suffix oma, e.g. seminoma, malignant tumor of spermatocyte, lymphoma, malignant tumor of lymphoid tissue, melanoma, malignant tumor of melanocyte, teratoma, neoplasm that originates from germ cell, sperm or ova and is composed of mixed tissue or named teratoma. If it is being feather, it is called being teratoma. And if it has malignant feather, it is named malignant teratoma. Now I am coming to discuss with you papilloma. Being epithelial neoplasm growing or on any surface epithelium showing microscopic or macroscopic finger-like pattern. Polyp, a mass that projects above the epithelial surface to form a microscopically visible structure, e.g. colonic polyps, nasal polyps. Hamartoma, this is not a neoplasm, it is local malformed growth that resembles a tumor and it grows at the same rate as the surrounding tissue do. It is composed of tissue element normally found at that site, most often asymptomatic and undetected, only seen in an image taken from another region. Now I am coming to discuss with you choriostoma, a mass composed of normal cell in a wrong location, e.g. pancreatic choriostoma in liver or stomach. Both hamartoma and choriostoma are considered as malformation and not neoplasm, and they are distinguished from neoplasm by the fact that they do not exhibit continued growth. They are a group of tumor-like tissue masses which may be confused with neoplasm. Cytological feature of malignancy, there are abnormal cytological finding at the level of cytoplasm and at the nucleus associated with malignancy and used by the pathologists to diagnose malignancy, which include pleomorphism, different shape and size of cell or nucleus, hyperchromatism, dark nucleus in H and E stain, coarse chromatin, normally the chromatin is finely stained, abnormal mitotic figure, increased number with abnormal shape, quadripolar, normally it is bipolar figure, increased nuclear to cytoplasmic ratio high, N quartile as result of big Bézéry nucleus, presence of nuclei, prominent and irregular nuclei with normal should not be seen. Cellular differentiation. In neoplasia, differentiation means the degree of resemblance of neoplastic tissue to the original one, and this criterion is used to predict the prognosis of the tumor. So there are 3 degrees of differentiation. Differentiated tumor mean a high degree of resemblance to the normal tissue of origin, has good prognosis. Moderately differentiated tumor, moderate degree of resemblance to the tissue of organ of origin, moderate prognosis. Poorly differentiated tumor mean no resemblance to a tissue of origin, sometimes are called an anaplastic tumor. They have the worst prognosis. Anaplasia, it means failure of the tumor to resemble the original tissue, i.e. anaplasia, lack of differentiation. The cell will be large, Bézéry, pleomorphic and multinucleated. In general, being tumor are well differentiated, while malignant tumor range from well differentiated to undifferentiated. Features of anaplasia include pleomorphism, abnormal cell morphology, abundant and or atypical mitosis, and loss of polarity. Goodbye, dear ladies and gentlemen. If you like, please subscribe and press the bell icon and share with others, and to see this if they like. Thank you, dear ladies and gentlemen.